The Sony 48-inch A90K OLED is a powerhouse for anyone seeking stunning 4K visuals in a compact form. This TV delivers OLED perfection with deep blacks, rich colors, and precise details, making it a top choice for both cinematic viewing and next-gen gaming. The screen's XR cognitive processor optimizes every frame, balancing brightness, contrast, and color in a way that feels natural and lifelike, almost like the TV is interpreting the scene the way your eyes do. When it comes to gaming, this TV really shines. It supports 4K at 120 Hz, HDMI 2.1, VRR, and Auto Low Latency Mode, providing smooth, responsive gameplay. For PlayStation 5 owners, exclusive features like Auto HDR tone mapping and Auto Genre Picture Mode make setup seamless, automatically enhancing picture quality for games without any manual tweaking. Fast-paced action, vibrant environments, and cinematic cutscenes all look flawless thanks to low input lag and rapid response. For movies and streaming, the A90K's HDR performance is impressive. Bright highlights pop without blooming, and shadow detail remains crisp without crushing. Dolby Vision support ensures content is displayed as intended by creators. Colors feel vivid but accurate, and motion handling keeps fast scenes smooth without trailing or blur. It's a cinematic experience packed into a 48-inch form factor. The design is sleek and modern. Its compact size makes it perfect for smaller spaces, bedrooms, apartments, or gaming setups where a big screen might be too much. The TV doubles as an oversized monitor for productivity or creative work, delivering true-to-life visuals without overwhelming the space. Google TV runs smoothly, offering instant access to streaming apps, voice controls with Google Assistant, and AirPlay support for seamless device integration. Audio is just as important, and pairing this TV with the Sony A3000 soundbar elevates the experience. The soundbar adds powerful, room-filling audio, enhancing dialogues, explosions, and music tracks. Vocals are clearer, bass is richer, and the immersive 360 spatial sound effect makes movies and games feel larger than life. This combination transforms a compact living area into a full home theater setup without the need for multiple speakers or a complex system. Overall, the Sony 48-inch A90K OLED paired with the A3000 is a versatile, high-performance setup for anyone who values picture quality, premium audio, and seamless gaming integration. It's future-proof, compact, and packed with features that satisfy both movie enthusiasts and serious gamers alike. If you want to bring this setup home, check the link in the description for purchasing options. Whether it's cinematic viewing, immersive gaming, or everyday entertainment, this combination is engineered to impress.